Here's a record of a pioneer experiment. First results were not spectacular, but they have definitely proved that rainmaking is a practical proposition.
Talking about how China can absolutely manipulate weather. That's serious, okay? Now, we've all wondered about that, but you're seeing it more and more become mainstream that they can manipulate weather. Point in case with what I'm saying is that they began to do this, I believe, in Texas this last season. We prophesied about a storm that would come, things would happen, then that storm hit, and the storm hit, and I believe it was induced. I think it was an induced storm, I really do, that knocked out Texas's independence because they had their own energy independence. Knocks it all out, knocks out all their power grids, does stuff. They were talking about becoming their own nation. I don't know where that starts and stops, but listen, this happens, and then Texas now is stuck with the Union. It's stuck with the United States the way it was, but they were talking about making their own nation, like separating and going their own direction. Now, I believe some of that happened, and you know, whether this is real or starts and stops, but you see people holding up snow, and they're lighting it on fire, and snow is burning, and they said, what? Snow doesn't do this, okay? Now, what you realize is also this. I believe that the next wave of this kind of stuff will be if they find they're losing footing or they're losing ground, I believe they'll begin to induce blackouts, okay? I think you're going to hear about power shortages. You're going to hear about things, and it won't make sense, but it's going to begin to happen.